Did you know that in the United States alone, 61 million plastic bottles end up in landfills each year? That's why it's so important to find ways to reuse them instead of throwing them away. But don't worry, we've got you covered because today we'll show you 20 brilliant ways to repurpose plastic bottles. You don't want to miss this. Hanging planters. Give your plastic bottles a new life by turning them into hanging planters. All you need to do is cut the bottom off the bottle, paint it in any color you like, and punch a hole near the top. Then thread some string or wire through the hole and hang your planter wherever you want. And if you're looking for some inspiration, check out these colorful hanging planters made from different sized bottles. They look amazing on a patio or balcony. Bird feeder. If you love birds, then you'll adore this simple yet effective way to recycle plastic bottles into a bird feeder. Just cut 2 openings on opposite sides of the bottle, fill it with your favorite bird seed, and hang it from a tree branch or hook. And don't forget to place it near a bird bath for an added touch. Your feathered friends will thank you for this thoughtful gift. Self-watering planter. This clever hack will allow your plants to stay hydrated for longer, reducing the frequency of watering and the chances of overwatering. Start by cutting a plastic bottle in half lengthwise. Next, flip the top half upside down and insert it into the bottom half. Securely tape or glue the edges to create a tight seal. Now when you pour water into the bottom half, it will be drawn up into the top half through a thin tube or wick made from cloth or paper towel. In no time, your plants will have access to water whenever they need it. Desk organizer. Transform your desk clutter into an organized masterpiece with this simple trick. Grab a few plastic bottles and cut them into equal sections. These sections will serve as individual compartments for your office supplies, creating a sense of order amidst the chaos. You can also use different colored bottles to categorize your items or simply enjoy the vibrant hues, adding a playful touch to your workspace. Vertical garden wall. Create a stunning vertical garden that not only looks fantastic but also helps conserve space. By attaching several bottles to a wall using adhesive or zip ties, you can grow a variety of plants and herbs, making them easily accessible while maximizing limited floor space. It is an excellent choice for apartment dwellers or anyone who wants to bring greenery indoors without sacrificing precious square footage. Jewelry holder. Keep your jewelry tangle-free and easily accessible with this fantastic hack. Use the cap and bottom section of a plastic bottle to create small compartments ideal for storing rings, earrings, and other tiny treasures. Get creative and experiment with different designs depending on the type of jewelry you own. Your necklaces won't get knotted anymore, and your rings will stay neatly organized. Seed starter pots. Starting a vegetable or herb garden from seed can be an incredibly rewarding experience. And with this easy hack, you can turn plastic bottles into the perfect mini pots to start your seedlings. Simply cut the bottles into smaller sections, poke a few holes for drainage, and fill them with soil. In no time, you'll have a row of healthy seedlings ready to transplant into your garden. Watering can. Transform an old plastic bottle into a handy watering can with just a few simple cuts. Poke several small holes in the cap of the bottle, then attach a narrow spout using hot glue or duct tape. Fill the bottle with water and gently squeeze it to control the flow of water while watering your plants. It's an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for keeping your garden hydrated. Piggy bank. Add some color and personality to your piggy bank by decorating a plastic bottle and cutting a slot in the side for inserting coins. This fun and quirky twist on a classic savings method is sure to motivate you to save more money. And if you're feeling crafty, try using different colored bottles to create a unique design that reflects your style. Storage containers. Plastic bottles are incredibly versatile when it comes to storage solutions. Cut them in half or use them whole to store anything from buttons and screws to cosmetics and accessories. The possibilities are endless. And if you're looking for a more eco-friendly option, try using glass jars or containers. Soap dispenser. Give your bathroom a touch of modern elegance by turning a plastic bottle into a sleek soap dispenser. Simply attach a pump dispenser to the bottle and fill it with your favorite soap. It's a quick and easy project that requires minimal effort and costs just a few dollars. Plus, it's an excellent way to reduce plastic waste. Phone stand. Worried about your phone overheating due to prolonged usage? Fear not. We've got a simple hack that will keep your device cool while also serving as a handy stand. With just a few cuts and folds, you can transform a plastic bottle into a sturdy phone stand in seconds. Not only does this prevent your phone from overheating, but it also allows you to prop it up for hands-free viewing. Mini greenhouse. If you're a plant parent, then you know how important it is to protect your delicate seedlings from the elements. Use the top half of a plastic bottle as a mini greenhouse to create a humid environment that will help your plants thrive. Simply place the seedlings inside and secure the cap to trap moisture and warmth. In no time, you'll have strong, healthy plants ready to brighten up your home. Lantern. Create enchanting lanterns by cutting intricate designs or patterns into plastic bottles. These unique lighting fixtures will add a touch of magic to any space. And if you're feeling creative, try using different colored bottles to create a kaleidoscope of colors. Just remember to place a tea light or LED candle inside each bottle to complete the look. Pencil case. Give your school supplies a makeover by turning a plastic bottle into a one-of-a-kind pencil case. Cut the bottle to the desired length and decorate it with markers, paint, or fabric scraps. The possibilities are endless. Plus, it's an excellent way to reduce waste and impress your friends with your creativity. Water scoop. This practical hack will have you ditching your old watering can in no time. Simply cut the top off a plastic bottle and use it as a scoop to water your plants. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for indoor or outdoor gardening. Floating device. Looking to add some flotation devices to your pool or pond? Look no further than plastic bottles. Simply seal them tightly and tie several together to create a makeshift life raft for your pool toys or pets. You can even use them to create a DIY raft for yourself. Just remember to always supervise children and pets around water. Snack container. If you're tired of carrying bulky snack containers, here's a perfect solution. Use the bottom half of a plastic bottle to store and transport your favorite snacks like nuts or dried fruit. It's lightweight, reusable, and perfect for on-the-go snacking. Garden hose guide. Protect your plants from accidental damage by using a plastic bottle as a guide for your garden hose. Simply cut the bottle neck and place it around the base of your plants, ensuring that the hose stays a safe distance away. It is a quick and easy hack that will help you achieve those perfect garden blooms without any mishaps. Creative art projects. Unleash your inner artist and create unique sculptures, mobiles, or wall art using plastic bottles. With some paint, wire, and imagination, you can turn trash into treasure. So why not give it a try and see what masterpiece you can create? There you have it, folks. 20 brilliant ways to repurpose plastic bottles. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. So before you throw away those plastic bottles, think about the endless possibilities they hold. From planters to pencil cases, there's a perfect hack for everyone. Not only will you be reducing waste and helping the environment, but you'll also be saving money and expressing your creativity. So why wait? Start repurposing your plastic bottles today and join the movement towards a more sustainable future.